Have you ever fallen behind on your bookkeeping or tax filings? This can get you into trouble. But don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll be discussing the cost and value of working with a professional to help you catch up on your back taxes. Let's dive in. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want all your business-related questions answered on a regular basis. So, what is back tax work and who needs it? Back taxes refer to when you have not filed previous year's worth of tax returns. If this is the case and you're coming on board with a new accountant, they will have to go back to fix the incorrect or unfinished work before they can accurately move forward. A more accurate description of this would be back work in general though. Because an accountant is doing a lot more than just your taxes, accounting numbers can't be estimated because they build off of each other month over month. When's the last time that a professional outside of your company touched your books? If you haven't accurately completed every month of your bookkeeping and taxes, you need to do back work. Each month of records that you're not confident in needs to be finalized. So here's one huge tip. If you know that you need your back work done, don't try to find an accountant who will skip it. If an accountant suggests they can ignore back work when you're hiring them, consider it a red flag. An ethical and responsible accountant should not advocate for avoiding or ignoring any aspect of tax obligations, including back taxes. Ignoring back tax work could lead to serious consequences such as penalties, interest, and potential legal issues. Now, let's explore the three main benefits of getting your back work done by a professional. First, we have year-over-year comparisons. When you don't have back work in place, you're missing gaps in your records. When you have gaps, you're not able to accurately compare your performance year over year. If we don't do that back work, we don't have any historical data to provide that guidance. Don't assume that your business is growing and becoming more profitable if you don't have the records to show it. Next, there's insured tax liability. When your back work is done, your accountant can give you a more confident estimate of your tax liability, also called a tax projection. A tax projection can take a set of assumptions to help reduce your tax liability, eliminate tax season surprises, and guide your business decision making. An extra bonus here would be if your accountant discovers more deductions for you to take as they go through your records. You even may find your taxes minimized. You also have audit-proofed books. Not many accountants will do this, but some will. We audit-proof your books in the process of doing your back work. We also pay any interest or penalties for errors that were done by our company. In order to guarantee free audit representation for our accounting clients, we need to ensure that the data is correct. We can't represent data that is incomplete or that was done by someone outside of our organization. Speaking of which, we also cannot do a prior year tax return without doing the books for it. If another accountant did your bookkeeping for that year but did not do the taxes, we need to check their work to guarantee the accounting data for the tax forms is correct. To give you an idea of how back work is priced with a professional accountant, we'll tell you how we do it at our firm. The basic formula to determine the price of your back work is back work price equals number of prior months to work on times your monthly fee. Now, how do we determine when your books stop being accurate or completed? We find the last verifiable tax return or financial statement that was prepared by a party outside of your company. If the last completed item was a tax return for a certain year, then your books are likely accurate through the end of December for that filed year. Once your monthly accounting fee is determined, it applies to both the future months and prior months that need back work done. Here's a question prospective clients ask all the time. Why would my back work fee be the same as my monthly accounting service fee moving forward? I'm not getting monthly financial statements or meetings for this prior months. While that is true, they aren't exactly considering the amount of work that goes into putting together prior records. We bill for all back work up front. Otherwise, a payment plan for up to 12 weeks may be an option. Why do we bill regular work moving forward each month, but we need to collect the back work fee in a shorter period of time? There are a couple reasons for this. It's prepayment for the work we are going to be doing. As we mentioned, back work can be a lot of heavy lifting. Not only that, but we are simultaneously doing back work and as much current work as we can. While we can give an estimated timeline of 90 days for back work, there are some outside factors. We don't truly know how long it will take if we're waiting for a client to give us the information we need. The upfront fee persuades clients to prioritize helping us in this way. Now that you know about back work benefits, fee determination, and billing, you may want to take the next step in getting your books right. To see if CSI Accounting and Payroll can be a good fit for your business, click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation. Or, if you're not ready to talk yet, learn more about the different types of advice a monthly accountant can provide by checking out this link here. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you next time.